Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Did you know that you may apply for an Australia 476 visa without having a work offer, and that once you are in Australia, you can begin looking for employment with Australian businesses? With no prior work experience, no job offer, and a very low IELTS score, you may obtain an Australia 476 work visa in 2023 for a very low visa fee. The Australia 476 work visa is a 12-month temporary employment permit. One of the biggest chances for everyone is to move to Australia in order to work professionally in their area of specialization. On this visa, a lot of individuals have already come, and they have found work. In addition to candidates with a bachelor's degree, those with a master's, diploma, or Ph.D. may also apply for an Australia subclass 476 work visa. What are the benefits? 1. Remain in Australia for up to 18 months after receiving a visa. 2. Include all eligible family members when applying for a visa. 3. Live, work, and study wherever you choose in Australia. 4. No points or nominations are required to be eligible. 5. A timeline for temporary work permits and long-term residence. Who can apply for this visa? The Australia 476 work visa is open to everyone. When submitting a 476 visa application, you may be within or outside of Australia. By registering for an account on the official website, you may apply for this visa online, give the relevant documentation, and make the application fee payment. You must pay the required fees in order for the Australian government to complete your application. Each applicant must have paid their processing fee and submitted supporting documentation when submitting an application with a family member. The Australia 476 work visa is a short-term work permit for engineering students, particularly those who have just earned their bachelor's, master's, doctoral, or postgraduate diplomas. What are the qualifications required? It is necessary to have a degree in engineering, such as one in mining and material engineering, chemical engineering, structural engineering, environmental engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, or mechanical production and plant engineering. An employment offer is not required for this visa. Without a job offer or offer letter, you can apply for a 476 visa, and once in Australia, you may start your job search. English language requirements. IELTS requirements for this visa are quite low. No proof of English language proficiency is required for holders of an Australia 476 visa who are nationals of the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Canada, New Zealand, or the Republic of Ireland. You shouldn't have previously had a subclass 476 or 485 visa as the principal visa holder. You should have a degree in engineering and obtain a character reference from your country. What is the duration? This visa allows you to stay for up to 18 months, and if you still have a job and your employer is satisfied with you when it expires, you can extend and convert your visa. It just costs $425 Australian dollars to get this visa, and it doesn't require a bank statement. Check to see if your engineering degree is associated with the Washington Accord before applying. You can apply if your engineering degree is under consideration because other nations have the same requirements. Your engineering degree must have been earned at one of the approved educational institutions. A designated institution is any authorized institution that offers an engineering degree or certificate. Finding a job in a nation with the greatest culture, highest income, and highest standard of life might be one of the most exciting things for an engineering graduate. The 476 visa in Australia, skilled recognized graduate, is one of the most well-known paths that offer this chance. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.